Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can do a voiceover on TikTok. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is open your TikTok app on your phone and go to the TikTok creation suite. Once you're there, you're obviously gonna get a shot of your camera. As you can see here, it's just looking at my floor, and you're gonna wanna record a quick video. So I'll record a video here just of me panning back and forth on my floor. And there you go. Now I have my footage that I can work with, and now I can create a voiceover. So worth mentioning as well, this works with videos. If you already have them shot, you could just go back to the last page, click on the little camera roll icon and select the video from there. And everything else I'm about to show you is all the same. So now that I'm ready, I'm gonna hit the check mark here, and you'll see it'll bring me to this editing suite on TikTok. Now, before we go in and add a voiceover, it's important to note that there are two types of voiceovers we can use. One, I can record a voiceover for the footage if I'd like, or I can do an AI voiceover. So I'll show you a little bit of both. For both though, the easiest way to do this is to click on the little editing icon up here up top, and it'll take you even deeper into the editing suite on TikTok. Now, if I just go in here, you'll see that there is an option for sound. I'm gonna click on sound right there. Now you'll see I can add a sound, I can add sound effects, or I can add a voiceover. So this is how you add a voiceover if you're doing your own voiceover, where you're gonna be reading into your mic and saying something for your audience. So I'll click on that, and you'll see I have this option to here, hit play and record the voiceover as I play through the video, so you can kind of time what you're saying with what you're seeing in the video. I'll try it out right now. Hey, this is a great cool shot of my floor. Wow, it looks so nice. Ooh, look at that. And there you go. Now I've recorded my voiceover, and I can hit the done button here. What's cool about this is I can actually click on the little blue bar down here, and I can click on volume, and I can either raise or lower the volume of my voiceover if I have like a backing track of music I want to mix the audio with. So that's one easy way to add a voiceover to your TikTok. Now, but what if you want to do an AI voiceover or do a voiceover with voice effects? Now, again, I'll click down on the sound button here, and you'll see that I have the option for AI voice. So now you can actually enter text and use an AI voiceover if you'd like. I'm sure you've heard it before on TikTok. So I'll write check out my new floor, exclamation mark, and then be done. You can select the text, the color, the shape, anything you want, and you can hit the check mark. Once you're done, you're gonna have the option to hit text to speech. So I'll click on that, and you'll see that there's three voices here I can choose from. I can choose serious, I can choose Alejandra, or I can choose empathetic. I'm gonna choose serious because I think that sounds the best. And then once I'm done, I can go hit the little X button here, and there you go. Now when I hit play,
check out my new floor.
You'll be having an AI voiceover, and you can hear a little bit of my voice in the back, so I might want to mute that later. Another cool little workaround that I found is that if you want to use the AI voiceover, but you don't want text on screen, you can actually just set up your AI voiceover like this, and then just drag the text off the screen. So no one can see it, but you're still gonna get the audio that you would from the AI voiceover. Now, one last option for audio voiceover effects that you can do is you can actually record your audio while you're shooting your video, like I did in this case. So I'll record a video here just to be. Now I can actually go into the main menu again by just simply hitting the little back arrow up top, and then I can scroll down on this side menu here to find voice. From here I can actually add sound effects. I know sometimes people use like the helium sound effect if they want to make themselves sound a little bit funny. You could sound like you're talking with the helium balloon. And if I like that, I can go ahead and hit save, and then I'm done. And there you go. That's how you add special effects to your recorded voice. So there you have it. That's how you add a voiceover to TikTok, whether it be recorded or whether it be AI. That's how it's done. Stay tuned. We got tons of great content coming your way. I'll see you in the next one.